What is going on, everybody? I really feel like the BeamNG Mega Trucks don't really get that much credit. So, this is probably going to be the first run of trucks that I do. My computer simply cannot handle anymore. First of all of the mods that you see in this video will be linked in the description box down below. All of these trucks, as well as this map as well. This is the BB's Mega Truck Park, or BB's Mud Park, sorry. And you will be able to find that in the description down below. So, I'm going to quickly run through all the trucks as I tell you some more information. Most of these trucks, with the exception of this one, were made all by the same people, Xavier and BB Gamer. I'll have to ask Xavier in DMs a little bit later if I can share his pack, because it recently went through some updates to add some new trucks such as Second Amendment and an updated version of this Abbot's Habit truck, which is an absolute beast, as well as Blue Moon. Let's go ahead and get into showing you the race course. So, first you line up here, jam the throttle, hit that jump right there, slide it into this turn right here, and then you go over this jump, and there is a mud pit right here that isn't too challenging and deep. You go around this turn here, little mud pit there, little jump here. I find it most difficult to land this jump in specific because it always kicks you sideways here. But you hang it around this turn, and the finish line, the actual finish line, is here. So then you can just roll it out here. So let's go ahead and get into our first truck, Second Amendment. Alright, coming up for the first run of the day, we have Second Amendment. Once again, this truck was made by Xavier. I'll have all their info in the description box down below, or his, I should say. So let's go ahead and get ready for the first pass. Also, I will not be timing any of these runs. You can download the mods yourself and do that if you want. I'll have all that info in the description box down below. First turn. Whoa, slamming the brakes for the second turn. Into the mud pit. Straight on through. Try and make this turn good. Oops. Ah, dang it, spun it out. Alright. Just try not to do that the rest of the day. Whoa. Careful. Slide it around the turn. And the final jump. Whoa. Saved it. Nice. Alright. So, Second Amendment is in the books. Alright, next up is Above All Fabrication, chassis and fab right there. This is based off a real truck. They've sent me videos in the past of it. Also, all these trucks have rear steer because they are based on the CRD chassis. But let's go ahead and get ready for the second pass of the day. Whoa, wheelie. Settle down. Don't flip it. Ah, no! Dang it. There we go. Through the mud pit. Let's try and not spin it. There we go. Whoa, yeah, might spin it, nope. And over the finish line. Whoa. And that was Above All. First BB Gamer truck of the day, this is the BB Customs Square Body. I don't really have much to say about this one, so here we go. Hold a bit sideways. straight into mud pit. That's a good hit. No. And right across the finish line. Don't crash. There we go. Alright. That was the BB Customs Square Body. Next up is basic. Yeah, figure out the rest of the name. Here we go. No! Oh, that was such a good run, too. Dang it. Whoa. Dang it. That was a good run, too. And across the finish line. Next up is Beast Mode. Don't have much to say about this one, so here we go. Ah. Feels like one of the better ones we made today. That was Beast Mode. Next up, we got Mama's Other Toy, which was, I think, recently had bigger tires put on it, and the Black Widow body put onto it, is what I've been told. The purple and white combo is probably one of my more favorite truck combos, to be honest. So, here we go. Whoops, what I was talking about. There we go. Covered it. There we go. Next up is the official BB's Mud Park truck. This is on the trophy truck body. I believe it was made before they did all the body advancements for Beam. So yeah, here we go. Whoa. Alright, not too bad. Let's go on to the next ones. Next up is Blue Moon. I haven't really used this one that much, and I don't know why, because it is a beautiful truck. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Not too bad. Alright, we are down to our second to last truck. This is the only truck in this video that you cannot get from BB or McXavie. This is in the MGM pack. You can get this along with the Son of a Digger truck and the Wretched Willys truck. But yeah, I will drop that information down below as well. So here we go. Nice. That feels like one of the best ones we've made so far. Alright, so lastly we have arguably my favorite truck out of the entire bunch, Abbot's Habit. Of course, if some of you don't know, my favorite color is orange, so we're going to start this thing up and drive it to the line. Alright boys, last run of the day. Here we go. That is definitely the smoothest run we've made so far today. That was awesome. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Wait, not yet. So, if you guys noticed, we are no longer over there. We are now over here. If you guys would like a sneak peek to the next video, there you go. So, thank you guys for watching. This is probably going to be a big edit for me, but yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy. A little mishap happened with that. But anyways, if you guys did enjoy, leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. And also, there will be a part 2 to this with freestyle, if that's what you're wondering what it was. Bye-bye.